We've all experimented with different calibers on the range, but there's something about the 30H8 that always turns heads, whether you're a rookie or a seasoned shooter. Ever tried ringing this round out of a rifle? If not, the question becomes, which 30H8 should you pick that balances dependability with beginner friendliness? We've compiled a lineup of 6 top-notch 30H8 rifles to help you make a smart choice. Stick around as we break down each one so you can elevate your shooting game. Kicking things off, Ruger American Rifle. Topping our list, the Ruger American Rifle is ideal for newcomers stepping into the world of precision shooting. First off, it features a cold hammer-forged barrel known for delivering consistent, dead-on accuracy. Pair that with its adjustable trigger, and you've got a rifle that feels natural in your hands. You can set the pull weight exactly how you like it. The synthetic stock keeps the rifle light yet rugged, perfect for long days at the range. This rifle uses a detachable rotary-style magazine that's super simple to load and highly dependable. The 3-lug bolt with a 70 degrees lift ensures smooth cycling without catching your fingers on the scope. Attention to ergonomics is obvious. Grooved and textured surfaces on the pistol grip and fore end guarantee a solid, non-slip hold, even in wet or dusty conditions. The drilled end-tapped receiver makes mounting a scope a breeze, and the included scope bases let you zero in right out of the box. For reliability, versatility, and affordability all wrapped in one package, the Ruger American Rifle is a top pick for anyone starting out. Coming up next, Savage Axis. If you're just diving into the world of rifles, the Savage Axis delivers a powerful combination of performance and value. Its free-floated barrel ensures that every shot is consistent by eliminating stock interference, while the renowned AccuTrigger gives a crisp, clean break for a satisfying pull. The synthetic stock is built to take a beating, letting you spend long hours in the field without worry. Beginners will appreciate the smooth bolt action, which is easy to cycle and feels natural. Feeding rounds is hassle-free thanks to a 4-round detachable magazine. Ergonomics meet aesthetics here, with sleek contours on the grip and fore end, plus a recoil pad that absorbs kick for less shoulder strain. Textured surfaces offer extra control in rough or slippery conditions. The carbon steel barrel features precision button rifling, which stabilizes bullets and keeps accuracy consistent. Pre-drilled and tapped for scopes, the Axis allows instant optics mounting without extra work. For shooters looking for excellent bang for their buck, the Savage Axis delivers solid performance and beginner-friendly handling. Next up, Remington 700. The Remington 700 is legendary, a bolt-action rifle that has earned its spot as one of the most popular ever made. Known for decades of pinpoint accuracy and rock-solid reliability, the 30H8 chambering is a favorite among hunters and range shooters alike. Its cold hammer-forged barrel ensures consistent, precise shots, and the 3 rings of steel receiver gives the rifle unmatched strength and durability. The adjustable trigger lets you dial in the pull exactly how you like it, whether you prefer a light, crisp squeeze or a heavier, controlled pull. The 700 comes in a variety of models and stock options, synthetic for rugged practicality or wood for that classic feel, so you can pick what fits your shooting style. With multiple calibers and configurations, it's perfect for hunting, long-range shooting, or just getting started with a serious bolt gun. And for shooters who love to tinker, the Remington 700 is a customization dream. Aftermarket triggers, barrels, and stocks are plentiful, letting you build a rifle that's uniquely yours, whether for performance upgrades or aesthetic tweaks. What's next? It's AR-10. Looking for something with more punch than an AR-15? The AR-10 delivers big time. Chambered in 30H8, it packs the power and range to handle larger game and long-distance targets while keeping that familiar AR-style feel. Its larger frame and beefier construction handle the extra recoil with ease, making it perfect for serious hunting or precision shooting. Modularity is where the AR-10 really shines. You can swap out barrels, stocks, and other components to suit your mission, whether that's hunting, home defense, or tactical applications. The heavy-duty build ensures longevity and reliability, even under tough conditions. Combine that with the 30H8's performance, and you've got a rifle that's as versatile as it is powerful, a true all-around shooter's platform. Next is DPMS Oracle. For shooters seeking versatility and raw stopping power, the DPMS Oracle in 30H8 Winchester is a standout. Sticking to the classic AR-10 blueprint, this rifle is chambered in one of the most effective big-game calibers available. The free-floating handguard improves shot consistency, and the 16-inch barrel hits the sweet spot between accuracy and maneuverability, perfect for both range sessions and hunting trips. The Oracle comes optic-ready, making it simple to mount your favorite scopes or red dots. Its MALSTDA3 upper receiver is compatible with a wide range of parts and accessories, while the Partis stock provides a balanced, stable platform for comfortable shooting. Other features like a dust cover, low-profile gas block, and flat-top Picatinny rail give you everything needed for a clean, customizable setup. All told, the DPMS Oracle packs versatility, power, and affordability into one capable rifle. Topping our list, Springfield M1A. Taking the crown, the Springfield M1A is a modern tribute to the legendary M14, beloved by shooters and collectors alike for its blend of precision and reliability. Chambered in 30H8 Winchester, this rifle excels at long-range shooting and taking down larger game. It preserves that classic M14 silhouette, and you can pick between traditional wood for a vintage feel or rugged synthetic if you prefer modern durability. The M1A runs on a gas-operated rotating bolt system, ensuring smooth, reliable semi-automatic cycling without jams or misfires. Out of the box, it comes with a 22-inch National Match-grade barrel engineered for pinpoint accuracy, giving you the confidence to hit targets consistently. For low-light scenarios, the birdcage flash suppressor tames muzzle flash, helping you stay concealed and maintain your night vision. Durability meets classic aesthetics with a Parkerized finish on all steel components, protecting against rust and corrosion while keeping that iconic look. The stock's non-reflective oil finish not only looks sharp but shields the wood from wear and tear. The two-stage military-style trigger provides a crisp, dependable pull, ensuring each round ignites precisely. And for convenience in the field, the fold-out but plate offers hidden storage for essential gear, perfect for keeping accessories close at hand without compromising the rifle's balance. These top 30H8 rifles are excellent picks for anyone stepping into the shooting world. From the precision of the Remington 700 to the versatility of the DPMS Oracle, each rifle brings unique features designed to elevate your range experience. That wraps up our countdown for today. We'll be back soon with more exciting firearm content, so don't forget to drop your thoughts and experiences with these 30H8 rifles in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the range.